Welcome to this new episode. Today we're diving into something pretty interesting about how most people use AI and why that might actually be the wrong way to learn.
Yeah, it's funny, isn't it? Everyone's so used to just asking AI for quick explanations, like it's a search engine. But neuroscience actually tells us that's not the best way to really learn.
Right. The brain doesn't learn best by just reading or listening to explanations. It learns best when you actively try to recall information, like exercising a muscle.
That's the idea of active recall. When you try to remember something, your brain strengthens those neural connections. It's why students who test themselves remember way more than those who just read notes.
Exactly. And here's the catch. When you ask AI explain fermentation, for example, it gives you a perfect answer. You read it, you get it, but your brain didn't really work hard.
Yeah, and because the brain didn't struggle, it doesn't strengthen the memory. So, understanding something once isn't the same as really remembering it or understanding it deeply.
So, the better way is to use AI as a thinking partner. Instead of asking for explanations, ask AI to quiz you. Like, act as a tutor and ask me 5 questions about fermentation.
That's a great shift. It forces your brain to search for answers, even if you don't know them all. That struggle activates learning circuits and builds stronger memory.
And that's where the TAJ method comes in. Think, ask, judge. First, think about the topic you want to learn. Then, ask AI to generate questions instead of explanations. Finally, judge your answers, check them, and reflect on what you missed.
I like that. It turns AI from a passive tool into an interactive learning system. And listeners can try this right now with any topic: nutrition, machine learning, whatever.
Yeah, ask AI to quiz you with 5 questions. Then answer without notes. That little bit of struggle is actually good. It tells your brain to strengthen those pathways.
And after you answer, get AI to review your responses. That feedback and reflection complete the loop.
This really matters now because AI gives us almost unlimited information instantly. But the real edge goes to people who learn how to train their thinking with AI, not just consume info.
Right, because humans still need judgment, understanding, and wisdom. And that takes practice.
So here's a question for listeners to think about. When AI quizzes you, will the questions reveal gaps in what you thought you understood?
That moment of realizing what you don't know, that's the start of deeper learning.
So next time you use AI, try the TAJ method. Don't just ask for explanations. Ask AI to quiz you and help train your thinking.
Yeah, it's a small shift, but can really transform how you learn. Thanks for listening.
Thanks. Talk soon.